प्रॉब्लम नंबर 10। इस प्रॉब्लम में हम दो वेरिएबल्स को कंपेयर करेंगे. So the comparison is between the set of priorities. Either it is generated by the natural renewable sources, and the second variable is the pressure to conserve wild and beautiful environment. So here we are talking about the two set of priorities. One is the pressure to generate energy in the form of electricity from sun, wind or any other natural resource. And the second one is the conservation of environmental resources. So which one is better? We have to solve this problem. So before giving the answer to this question, let's talk about the importances of natural renewable sources. Natural renewable sources nowadays, they are playing very important role in the generation of electricity, and they will play a major role in the future. It is believed that we can share electricity globally by the generation of electricity through natural renewable sources. These natural resources can be in the form of sunlight. It is dependent on the wind movement or wind velocity or wind pressure. So sunlight or wind pressure project is given to the government, and now it is believed that electricity generation will increase by 40% from 2012 to 2018. अगर हम हीट स्टेबलाइजर प्रिंटिंग सिस्टम यूज़ कर रहे हैं या लाइट स्टेबलाइजर प्रिंटिंग सिस्टम यूज़ कर रहे हैं, इसके अलावा यूवी स्टेबलाइजर प्रिंटिंग सिस्टम भी अवेलेबल हैं. अगर हम इनके साथ सोलर पैनल्स को अटैच कर दें, then these stabilizers, either it is heat stabilizer, light stabilizer or UV light stabilizer, it will work more efficiently and the cost will reduce to some amount. So by building and installing wind turbines, we can generate electricity more efficiently. Same is happening in Amsterdam, which is also known as Holland or the Netherlands. Their windmills are available, and through wind velocity, wind pressure, wind movement, they can generate electricity. This will also reduce the operating cost, and so it is cost effective. Now different subjects can play an important role in utilizing the natural resources, but chemistry is playing a major role in utilizing the natural resources for the generation of energy. Now energy can be generated from air movement, air pressure, as well as it is dependent on the air streams. Now we also talk about the hybrid vehicles. Now hybrid vehicles in which the brakes are connected to the power generator system, and it is again cost effective, and we can control the amount of gasoline that is used. It also increases the mileage of the car as well. Similarly, in America, natural resources are used in the form of isoelectric fibers. They are used in the footsteps or in the footpaths. The purpose is to reach the pedestrian to the destination as earlier as possible. The purpose of these isoelectric fibers, they convert pedestrian footsteps into power, and pedestrians can move more forward automatically by the generation of energy through isoelectric fibers. Now the problem is that if we overuse these natural renewable resources, then what will happen? ये natural renewable sources environment में कम होते चले जाएंगे. Their amount will reduce if we overuse them. As it's a common saying that the excess of everything is harmful. So the same saying is applied over here. Now natural renewable sources are also causing environmental problems. For example, if we are using gasoline or petroleum for vehicles, then they can cause air pollution. Somehow industrial areas are causing water pollution, wind pollution. So they are damaging the environment by increasing the percentage of carbon dioxide. So here global warming issue is there, and there are chances of damage to the ozone layer. So environmental policy तश्कील की गई जिसका मकसद environmental resources को maintain रखना है under a common property regime, और इसमें जो rules apply हुए वो clear हैं and they are easily enforceable for the public. Environmental policy में natural resources का use तीन तरह से काम किया गया है. Either there should be limited access of natural renewable sources. Second one, there can be limited use of the natural renewable sources. और third one, कि अगर हम natural renewable sources को use कर रहे हैं, then it will be subject to specific conditions. Now let's talk about the benefits of environmental policy, as sustainable development is dependent on the economic growth, and this environmental policy helps in the adjustment of economic structures. At the same time, it is very important to maintain the environmental sustainability. So the net effects will be on the animal welfare, on the plant welfare, as well as on the human well-being. The third important benefit is the cost effective, as the benefit of action has been estimated by the use of environmental policy.